Hello everybody, this is your boy Hunter. I'm back with part 2 of the boat building. While I was off camera, I did a little work to mine. This is mine. This is made 20 bucks. This is how you make a $20 boat. I got this body right here, shell. This is my little brother's, if you remember Grayson's. His was, this body shell right here came off of a $150 Terra Scout. And here's this one of my little brothers. He finally added this. He had a little DC motor here that is full of surprises. Yeah. I know, I sprayed this on them so that way the tape could be stronger. Remember now, repellent always makes everything stronger because of the smell. So right now, I gotta get back to welding. Okay. Okay, done. Make sure the fan is straight. Making sure the fan is straight. And now you can burn it. Okay, there you go, guys. The challenge is tomorrow at I think whenever we leave out on the boat, that's about 10 o'clock. If y'all don't remember the boat, I ain't posted it yet, but she is an old 1970 something boat. You guys, I'll show her. That's her right there. Old girl. She's an Evinrude 140 horse. We're hitting a lake tomorrow, so I'll post a video of that tomorrow. Alright, so have a great day, everybody. Remember now, this is your boy Hunter, and I'll see you.